So there's a heat wave in the UK this week, but we're somewhere a little bit different this time. Welcome to Las Vegas. And one of the first things we saw after landing is this bloke carrying an American flag for absolutely no reason. They're just so patriotic. I absolutely love being in the United States of America. It's amazing. Right, it's time for a Vegas room tour. So this is the Cosmopolitan Hotel in Vegas. Pretty nice, to be fair. Got a nice little living area. Huge TV, massive TV on there. Look how nice I am. It's my wedding anniversary this week, so those are for my beautiful wife who's lounging around somewhere with a glass of champagne. Loads of storage space. What have we got? Bits and bobs. Loads of hangers. In here is the bathroom. A nice big kind of walk-in shower. With a bit of a soaking tub there. That leads through to the toilet itself. Love these mirrors with these lights on. And there she is, Mrs. Rome's. She doesn't feature much in these videos, but there she is. And the best thing is the view out there, but I'm not going to show you that until it's dark. Just look at this. It's absolutely stunning. I can't grasp the height of this either. So I live in the UK, and when we consider a skyscraper, our skyscrapers are like what we call high-rise blocks of flats that tend to have about 10 or 15 floors. This is the 55th floor, so 10 times higher than the normal kind of high-rise buildings that we get in the UK. It's just unbelievable. And it's just as impressive during the day as well. I mean, look at this. What a sight to wake up to. But now, I need some breakfast. So let's go down in the lift, which, as you'll see, is also pretty impressive. And we're off to somewhere called Eggslut. So Eggslut's a bit of a chain. We have got one in the UK, but it's down in London. But they do some fantastic breakfast sandwiches. I mean, just look at that. And in there's some French toast sticks, and I've never tasted French toast like that. Dipped in maple custard. Amazing. So it's 7:30 in the morning. This is probably the best time to go exploring on the strip, to be fair.
This little section's new, I haven't been here before. And a pizza place called How You Doing? How you doing? No, we're not in Venice. We are actually inside the Venetian Hotel. Just one cornetto. Give it to me.
Delicious ice cream.
From the Venetian Hotel in Vegas. I'll stop it now. So you can see behind where they're building the new Hard Rock Hotel in the shape of a guitar, and then behind that there's the old Mirage Hotel.
Right, we're off now to explore the Sphere, and it's really impressive. Just wait for this.
So welcome to the Sphere. This is Vegas's latest big attraction. When I say big, I mean big. So this is inside the Sphere. It's absolutely huge. All this to watch The Wizard of Oz.
Now it's difficult to explain the scale of this, but everything you see here is part of the screen. It's absolutely huge. It's really, really impressive.
So I won't give away too much. We've all seen the Wizard of Oz film and we all know what happens. But it's a really immersive experience, is that. So if you're in Vegas, I recommend going to see the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. Costs a little bit, but it's well worth it. And like I say, if you're lucky, an apple will fall on your head. We were pretty lucky. We managed to get hold of one. And apparently they're selling for like 60 quid on eBay or something like that. That probably explains why I can't find it now. But that's the end of part one of the Vegas adventure. So stay tuned if you've enjoyed this video, and part two will be coming up next week. Subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more content coming. As time goes on, you'll be able to see my travels from all over Yorkshire to hopefully further afield. And later on in the year, we've got Florida as well. So stay tuned for part two and subscribe. Thanks for watching.